Hey guys, it's David with Diecast Media Network. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Diecast News and Reviews. Let's get right to some cool stuff coming out. Check out these 2-packs from Hot Wheels. We're going to look at a lot of Hot Wheels today. We've got a really cool Volkswagen set here. We have got some Gulf livery stuff, including a Fiat, looking really cool. Yeah, good looking sets. We have got a really cool new truck sets from Hot Wheels, and these have always been really cool versions of kind of stock looking liveries and decos on these, and I'm kind of liking what I see on this truck series as well. Let me know below which one is your favorite, and if you like this series. We'll stay with some more Hot Wheels. Shout out to Lamley for giving us some new picks of a upcoming exotic Envy set. And I don't know, reaction kind of cool on these. Not hot, not cold, but kind of in the middle. Some of you guys are curious about the selections on these, but thank you to Lamley for sharing those as always. Battalion 64 is a line that Greenlight has been doing for a while, and this is a new release from them. Really digging the final police car right there. How about Majorette? We have got Cast Heads Magazine, who has been on Diecast Breakdown, to thank for a preview of that Majorette 60th anniversary set. And if you're looking for previews of Super Treasure Hunts, 164 Collectors on Instagram has you covered. Did you guys see that 180SX? All right, 2-packs from Hot Wheels are just going to round out the previews for this week. This is David. Let's open some cars and see what's come in lately. Okay, starting us off today is a brand few of you guys have probably heard of, Street Weapon. I don't have a whole lot of these in my collection. I don't do a real big emphasis on modified or, customized cars a whole lot. So just looking at this brand, it's a Honda Odyssey minivan. Couldn't be any more utilitarian or civilian. But I like that kind of stuff. So we'll look at it today. We got a Honda Odyssey, and it is not a licensed vehicle if you are interested in that. Be right back. We'll get it open. We'll take a look at it. All right, comes wrapped in cellophane. Nice box cover with some card art here. Looks like the company might be called Ghost Player. I don't know. Lots of different logos and names on this card. I think Street Weapon maybe is a line that they do. I'm not too concerned with all that. So we'll just look at it for what it is. A Honda minivan that I didn't have in my collection, and right away seeing some issues with it. Check out the tail lamp. That is a metallic stripe here on the driver's side. Rear tail lamp, I'll have to re-adhere that. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just push it together like that. But needless to say, just be aware that this one did come unattached to the tail lamp lens. All right, right away, here is your plinth, guys. Street Weapon Odyssey limited edition 59 of 500. Man, I just don't know. 500 is an extremely low quantity or run, and I didn't pay a crazy amount for this, if I recall. Maybe $20. And for that $20, I got a metallic sticker going around the rear for the lamps. And maybe I'm wrong, but and I probably am, but my initial thoughts when I hold this in my hand is this is really small for a Honda Odyssey minivan. We'll take a look at it maybe compared to some other vehicles. But even the other two that I'm looking at today, for a Honda minivan, this seems a little small for true 164. Okay, so we got some mirrors. We'll start on the back here. Defroster lines on the rear glass, third brake light on the top. Honda badge on the lift gate is pretty clear and legible. Got some additional brake lights here on the bottom, or reflectors. Odyssey on the license plate. Looks like a fairly good job capturing what a Honda Odyssey minivan looks like. Although, I'm not sure, are the tail lamps, do those look right, guys? Are they that much white, or is there more red on them? I'll try and put a picture of one up to compare. All right, wheels look good. No calipers behind the rims. Left-hand drive, black dash, beige interior. Looks like leather, really nice. And trim all around the windows looks good. Let's come around on the front. We have got a chrome grille. Honda badge on the front, on the center of the grille. Odyssey on the tag. Lens headlamps look good. Yeah, we'll stick it on the turntable, watch it go around. Before we do though, while I'm talking here, I'm going to have some video of these accessories because it came with a bike, 2 bikes, a roof rack, and a surfboard, and you can see those mounted here, and then we'll stick it on the turntable, watch it go around. Okay, before we get to that, I did want to show you, I've only got 2 other minivans I can compare this guy to, and now that I have looked at this Auto World and this Buick, so the Auto World is a Dodge Grand Caravan. This X-Car Toys Buick minivan, maybe they are true to scale. So for what that's worth, take that with a grain of salt. Let's look at something a little bit more big and American. We have got a Greenlight from their Vintage Ad Cars series. We have got a 49 Mercury 8 convertible. Almost said 47 because I did a little looking before this video, because this car, looking at it, reminded me of the car that Mr. Miyagi gave Daniel LaRusso as a birthday gift in Karate Kid, but learned that vehicle was a 47 Ford Super Deluxe. So this is a Mercury 8, and this is a humongous post-war American car. We've got red interior, nice steering wheel, got some sun visors glued to the top of the glass piece. Okay, so this whole glass piece is plastic, and they have painted trim around the windscreen, and it's a split windscreen. That's pretty cool. Nice chrome wipers on there. It's a really nice metallic kind of canary yellow, and there is some metal flake, some like sparkle to it. Got a nice trim belt molding around, well, I guess it's not belt molding, just molding on the door and the quarter panel and the fender. Mercury on the fender. White walls look good with the hubcaps. I love the fender flares on that. Love the chrome bumper. Tail lamps look good. Mercury on the trunk. Wish you guys could see that sparkle. Convertible top looks good. This is a well done car, very iconically American in design and look for that era. Love the chrome bumpers that go around. As always with Greenlight, if you're watching, would love some lensed headlamps from time to time. Not on all of them, but really add to a casting. Nice metal base, tires with tread, and of course Greenlight tells you what vehicle it is. So this is a 1949 Mercury 8 convertible. We will keep getting bigger and bigger on the cars, guys. We've got a company called ING bringing us this stretched rolls. Love to get this one open here and show it to you guys. Be right back. All right, so let's take a look at this 1/64 scale Masonry Rolls Royce. If I can get this sleeve off of it. There we go. Get that out of here. All right, fantastic green. Fantastic green. Here's your plinth. A little bit of information. Mansory, excuse me. Platinum. Nope. Phantom, he said. ING number 35. Golly, 26 out of 999. Okay, really low number on this one, guys. 26 out of 999. Let's start on the front. Beautiful Rolls-Royce badge on the front. Unmistakable. Crazy big, blocky. I mean, just almost garish front end on this vehicle. Left-hand drive. Not too keen about that. Front end, honestly, it looks like a Range Rover. It's so big. Wheels are so large on this guy. Love the chrome doors, suicide doors on the middle there, or maybe on the back rather. 2 roof openings, nice chrome trim on the A, B, C, and D pillar, if you will. Lens tail lamps on the back. I'll get it off the base here before we put it on the treadmill, and we will check out whether it's a plastic or metal base. Just looking at the car right now, unique car to have in your collection. If you're like me and you like big limos, then this is one to consider. Take a look at the hood ornament. Really well done. Look at the interior. Got some sort of waffle pattern on the seats. I'm not going to take this guy apart, but there is a lot of detail on these seats. Okay, I will take it off here. We got one screw. Looks like they over-tightened it at the factory. Cracked the plinth. I don't display them on that. It is preventing me from taking it off the vehicle with ease in case anybody from the company is watching. But we'll just have to go the opposite way and do it like this, since the screw is not backing out of the hole after it got cracked before they packaged it up. And I almost took out the hood ornament. You see that? All right, so you get a plastic base held together by 2 screws. A little bit of detail work on these mufflers. Yep. 2019 Rolls-Royce 1/64 scale Phantom Extended Edition. I'll stick it on the turntable, watch it go around. This has been 3 pretty cool cars. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Diecast News and Reviews. This is David at Diecast Media Network. I will see you guys on the next video.